Some men carry their past in a suitcase and their intentions in a flame. Silence is the loud before the storm. Every trade has its secrets. Every secret has its tool. Now it's time to the steel, meeting the soul. It's not just about the cut, it's about the character. Precision, discipline, the dance of the cold blade against the heat of the skin. This is our ritual. Sharp enough to kill, clean enough to live.